Okay, guys, so today you don't have any notes. What you're going to do is you're going to read through this Digging Deeper. It's taking a look more into crime scene investigation. Make sure you write your name, and I would like you to answer the following questions. Make sure you're doing it by yourself. You are not you're not copying off of somebody else. I don't want to deal with that again, and I'd rather you not have to deal with that. So do not copy off of each other. This is me seeing what you know. Don't forget at the bottom there are questions, because that would not be cool. And the other thing I'm going to have you do today is this. If you notice, it is in DocHub. I'm going to be giving you the PDF. I need you to either open it in DocHub or Lumen or, oh, pardon me, whatever PDF like editor that you may have. I need you to do that. If you have questions about how to use DocHub, please let me know. One thing I wanted to show you is when you're done with DocHub, you got to click this download export thing. You're going to send it right to your classroom, or no, you're going to send it right to your drive. I didn't mean classroom. You're going to send it right to your drive so that you have a copy of it in your drive, and then you're going to upload it in the classroom. What you're going to do is you're going to start right here, and it is a review. So you're going to read this and you're going to check, or you're going to put a line. You can do the line right here. You can do the highlight and just like highlight an area. I would suggest doing a line. So you could do a line here, a line here, or like that. You can do a line like that. You can comment if you want to. I would suggest using the line. It'll make it easier. You got to get to the finish. So the first one, it just says evidence that relates on an inference to connect it to a conclusion. Relies, sorry, not relates, relies, sorry, my eyes got really bad. Evidence that relies on an inference to connect it to a conclusion. If you need to, I highly suggest you look over your notes. If you have to go back to the screencast, the ad puzzle that I did last Friday, so that you can answer some of these. If you have any questions, please let me know. But these are the two things you are doing today. So make sure you submit. I'm going to put them in 3 different things because you have to watch. You know what? Nope. I'm going to leave this. This is going to go with the Digging Deeper. After you're done with that, do the types of evidence review maze, and you're done for the day. If you are missing work with me, what I highly suggest you do is do the work for today and then go back and work on the stuff that you're missing. It's been brought to my attention that some of you are assuming because I put that it is due on Sunday that you are going to do all the work on Sunday. If I notice this becomes a trend, I'm going to be making it due each day. It should be done. I should be seeing you working on something each day. I'm trying not to give you more than 30 minutes worth of work. If I do, I typically give you a couple days to get it done. But do not wait until the last moment, the last hour to get these done. There's a lot of work included in this, and it should be taken as if you were seeing me every other day for the 45 minutes, which some of these things don't take that long. All right. If you have any questions, please email me. Use class tag. Also, don't forget you have to Zoom with me once a week. That is for a grade you will be getting. Besides that, I hope you guys have a great day.